right there.
What happened?
My dad right there.
What is what?
Dad. Thank you.
Happy birthday to me.
Dad, why? Ow! It's sticking to my hair.
Good morning. It is day 37 and I am officially down 13 pounds, y'all. But today's gonna be, I have to not eat so many snacks and stuff today because we're going out for AJ's birthday. AJ wants to go to Cece's tonight. I'm gonna eat some barbecue pizza. That's my favorite at Cece's, is the barbecue pizza. So we are going to save a lot of our calories for tonight because yes, I'm counting my calories. So with that being said, let's start our day. It's late. I did like a fast. So it's 11 o'clock and I'm just now going to have breakfast. I did that because I knew I was going out tonight to eat. So I'm just trying to prepare, like my body. So it's 11 o'clock. We're going to do our wellness shot now, which is ginger and lemon. I juiced it on my previous vlogs. If you want to go back and watch, if you haven't seen the older vlogs. Shot. Cheers. After that, we do our greens. I have to hurry up with my video because AJ wants me to put on a birthday song. We've been singing happy birthday since like 6 o'clock this morning, but two of my super greens.
You know why you see there's red thingies? Because it's AJ's birthday.
I'll put a video so they can see it quickly.
Wait, I can put it. I can put it here.
Alright, I'm going to take my sea moss gummy. I'm going to do one now and then I'll do one later. After the sea moss gummies, do the sea moss fat burner. This is the ultimate fat burner from Organics Nature. If you want to order this, go to my link tree or the description to this video. When you click the link tree, scroll down to the bottom, you can get some. I honestly think this is what's helping me right now because this weight is dropping with these shakes and my teas and these supplements. What? Okay, hold on. Oh, and plus I'm counting my macros, so that makes a big difference too. Fat burner. Alright, so now the last, I have my shake. I'm gonna add the creamer to my shake, my favorite creamer ever. And you have the perfect shake in the world. Let me get some ice. I'm having a green tea. I don't have any herbalife tea right now, so I'm drinking one of my daughter's teas. But I bought it for her, so it's okay. That's what I'm drinking right now, nothing added. You know what, I could have added some sea moss to it, but we'll try that later. Yeah, bye. Taking AJ to go take his pictures now. He ready. This balloon going everywhere.
Just dried out.
Okay, so I haven't really recorded much today for the vlog because for one, I was fasting this morning and didn't have my shake until 11 something. And plus it's AJ's birthday, so I'm trying to, keep all my focus on him. And I'm trying to keep my carbs. I'm trying to keep my carbs and calories down because we're going out to eat tonight for AJ's birthday, his favorite place. And of course, we're going to enjoy it. Paying for it. Yeah. It's okay. So I'm going to take one of each of these real quick. The multi and the energy. I had a Crayola Band-Aid because I got cut again. The energy. But I have my shake and now I'm gonna eat 3 of my little protein bar bite things. They're cute, they're little, and they're good. And they'll keep me full because they're high in protein, so. I'm gonna go eat good. Stay drinking my water. And I'll see you guys when we go out to eat, because I'm still going to show you what I'm eating, even though it's bad. But I'm still going to show you. Because I told you I'm going to be for real, so I'm being for real. We going to eat tonight. This is the thin crust barbecue. It's chicken and it's thin crust, so I don't feel as guilty. But it's so good. AJ's having the time of his life.
No!
Kids be going for thousands of dollars. Go, Jay. Go, AJ.
It's not creepy to me. Anyways, we are back. And I still have 500 and some calories left. And I ate like 500 and some calories, I'm pretty sure. I cut my hair. I'm about to take my gummy sea moss. Just one. And then I'm going to take one of the Holy Grail. Pepper.
Willow, say hi. I know you're eating, but I want you to say hi, baby. Say hi, baby. Say hi.
Good. Super greens. 2 super greens. I'm actually going to try sea moss and tea. You want to try it with me? We're going to try it. This light looks so much better when this light is not on.
They didn't put your name on this.
Kings, what are you doing?
On my hands hurt.
Okay, we are experimenting because I didn't like the way this sea moss tastes by itself, and I saw some lady on this sea moss video say that she puts it in hot tea. So we're going to make 3 different teas. One for my husband, one for Cadence, and one for me. You like a lot, don't you? Mm-hmm. My husband is having the booty hole one. I call it booty hole because it tastes really bad. Ew, babe, you ate this? But this sour sop one? He's brave. This is the sour sop sea moss. Oof. Just gonna mix that on in there like that. So dark. Gross. Dissolved. Oh, and this is just green tea with lemon. Regular green tea with lemon.
My favorite tea in the world. Oh, I burnt myself. Did I tell them what happened?
No.
Bro, my dad took us to Applebee's, and me and Kumar got a cookie skillet to share, and they didn't tell it was hot. But like using my brain, I should have been like, don't touch that because it's hot, obviously. But I didn't think of it in the moment because usually they're not that hot. Like me and Kumar usually are like able to touch them and turn it around. No, I leaned over to grab my spoon, and it burnt me. I was like, ow! And I didn't even realize it happened until we went home. And I was like, Lola, we need to sue Applebee's. Look at my ouchie.
And now Cadence is going to have this one. This is just gold gel. It don't have
Gel.
no. You been eating a lot of this. It don't have a flavor. It's just called gold gel.
Ew, what is gold? Mm-mm. Ew.
And then you gotta make it melt.
That's movies.
A green
found
and
some.
lemon tea packet for you. Dragon gel. Dragon gel. Daddy been eating out of these every morning.
That looks like a different.
I don't know how he does it.
That's really gross. Ew.
Dragon gel. I want to take a sip of all. Well, no, I'm not taking a sip of that one. I refuse.
Yo, lookies. We're so cute.
Ooh, ooh, babe.
Can I put yours in?
Yeah. I don't know what soursop is, but it should not be a flavor of anything. Yes. I don't even want to like take a sip of it.
Strong nutrient profile that provides a variety of health
Good.
benefits.
Don't make that face, please.
It's not nasty.
And antioxidant also promotes the destruction of free radicals, which can help to protect your skin and cells from environmental oxidative damage.
It's not
One
nasty.
whole soursop fruit contains 250%
I can do that.
of your recommended.
So yesterday on the vlog, day 46, we tasted these straight out the jar. And I'll rate this number 1, this number 2, this one number 5,634. Yeah, I don't want this ever. But I'm gonna go drink my tea. And I'll be back later. Hey guys, so I'm ending the vlog because it is midnight and he just woke up and I'm not eating anything else tonight anyways. So I will see you guys on the next video.